If you want to make money working from home, just chatting, okay, this is a video you want to watch to the end. So this is a chat-based job where you chat with people and you get paid. And this job, okay, can be done from anywhere you are in the world. So this is a worldwide opportunity. You shouldn't sleep on. You should take advantage of this job. And you don't really need an experience to work with or on this website. Okay, so the name of the company, okay, that hire chat moderators, okay, is called Cloudworker. So Cloudworker is a well-known company founded in 2015 and is one of the largest, most successful and thriving chat moderation company operating worldwide. So you can work from anywhere you are in the world, okay, on this website. So they provide their chat moderator based around the world with opportunities to earn reliable income and grow with them. All that is required is a computer and a stable internet connection. So if you have a computer, okay, and a stable internet connection, this job is for you. Like I said, you need no experience to start working on this website. So whether you wish to work from home or from the other side of the globe, you choose when and where you want to work. So this job, okay, comes with a whole lot of benefits, like you can work at your own pace, okay. And like I said before, if you have your computer and you have a stable internet connection, this job is also for you. They also guarantee you a regular income and a long-term employment and opportunities for professional growth and advancement. Working on this website can also expose you to opportunities where you can also get trained. Okay, so you can also be empowered on this website alongside working on this website. So it's a good advantage for anyone working on this website, okay, to get the trainings needed and also to equally work on the website. Chat moderator, what they do is they engage in text-based online chats in one or more online social community platforms. So the objective is to animate those communities, stimulate conversation, and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationship. As a chat moderator, you need to create an engaging and imaginative experience for customers, which is key to the success of the enterprise. As a chat moderator on this platform, you need to entertain customer, build rapport, and develop lasting relationship with customers by making the customer feel good about themselves. So chat moderator working with Cloudworkers are provided with flexible, exciting, and uncomplicated opportunities to utilize their language skills and earn a reliable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator, with positions available either on a part-time or on a full-time basis. So this job opportunity is what you want to hop on. Okay, if you've been wanting to work from home and you needed something flexible to start with, this is okay a platform you want to come and apply and start working as soon as possible. So in order to work as a chat moderator, all you need to do is to simply log in via their online or their chat interface anywhere you are in the world and instantly communicate with your customers. Chat moderators should be open to engaging in high quality dialogues of an adult nature and on the various chat platforms. Okay, so chat moderators at Cloudworkers are allowed to decide on their own working hours based on their own schedule, enabling you to optimize your work-life balance. So this is a flexible kind of work, okay, where you can choose your own time, your own schedule, and as well make good money on the platform. Okay, so by working with Cloudworkers, unlike the other companies out there, you will be given the freedom to work on the go while earning a reliable income. Joining their team provides you with additional benefits, reliability, and stability that can only come from being a part of their worldwide, highly experienced, long-established, respected, and successful chat moderation enterprise. Their chat moderators can expect a benefit and grow professionally with the assistance of regular and qualified training by their team of coaches. All of their chat moderator team have a reliable and competent point of contact through a dedicated team leader for each repetitive language that is easily contacted via phone, email, or Skype, thereby enabling you, okay, to have a meaningful experience as a part of a team. Why it is advantageous for your application to have some experience in the realm of chat moderator, it is not mandatory, okay, and even if you possess not experience at all, they also welcome your application and look forward to working with you to build up your experience and improve your professional skill set in the field. So both the experienced moderators and those with less experience are comprehensively trained by the team leader and team of coaches. So long as you possess a good imagination, open-minded, and the drive to improve, you have all the key skills necessary to become a successful chat moderator. So if you believe you have these skills, then they are excited to receive your application and hope to hear from you soon. So guys, this is a very flexible job. This is a job, okay, that I think anyone can do. Like they said, you don't need any form of experience. If you have an experience, fine. If you don't have an experience, they are still going to train you on the job. They are still going to train you to enlighten you on what the job entails, what it's all about. Okay, I think this is a very good opportunity for those that want something, okay, that is simple, flexible, that don't have any form of experience. Okay, I think you should harness this opportunity. Okay, so what they expect from you is your own PC or laptop with a stable internet connection, is the possibility to work as a freelancer, openness to adult dialogue. Of course, you need to have this open mind. You need to have this skill. Communication skill is very important here, okay? It's very, very important because remember, it's a chat-based job, so you need to have a level of communication skill. And what you can expect from them is they have fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis. They have flexible and independent planning of working hours. They also have a long-term, mutually beneficial working relationship. Okay, so also they have a reputable working environment. They have comprehensive training prior to starting to work, a personal assigned point of contact who is regularly available for consultation and advice. They also have regular trainings and performance feedback to help your professional development. Salary that is above average and performance oriented. The more work you put in, okay, the more money you make. Okay, so on this platform, your performance, okay, goes a long way to determining, okay, the amount of money you're going to earn. So if your performance is high, that means you're going to earn higher. So I think anyone can do this. Okay, just learn the job and give them what they want and you'll be fine. Okay, so to apply as a chat moderator, you're going to fill in this form you're seeing here. You're going to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your date of birth, your phone number. Okay, you're going to fill in the language you are applying for. You choose the option. Okay, times available via phone. We let them know. Do you have experience in chat moderation? You still let them know. Remember, you mustn't have experience. Okay, they're going to train you on the job. So how did you hear about this platform? Okay, you put down how you heard about this platform and also tell them something about yourself and why they should hire you. Okay, so make sure you tell them something that will make them hire you. You have the opportunity and yes, to put them down in this box here. Okay, so and you have to agree to their terms and conditions, and you have to also tick to tell them that you are not a robot. After that, you submit your application here, and that is it. Okay, so here are the frequently asked questions section. You're going to get to find everything about this job. Okay, you're going to just take your time and go through this so that you can have more idea about what this job and how they operate and everything in between. Okay, so you're going to come to this section and you're going to go through them one by one, but we're going to take one or two. You can go through the rest. Okay, let's take number one. Okay, I live abroad, can I apply? They said absolutely. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a PC or a laptop and a stable internet connection. The second question is, do I have fixed working hours? They said each moderator fills in a wish list indicating which shift he or she can work and which cannot. Okay, so this weekly shift schedule is created on this basis. Okay, so you have to let them know. So I feel this is a flexible job. So they just want you to be comfortable while working with them, right? Now, what equipment do you need for the job? Okay, the equipment you need for the job is a laptop or a PC, and another requirement is a reliable internet connection, as the job cannot be done without an internet. So please bear this in mind. Do I have to pay any fee before you are hired? I said no, absolutely not. They never have or ever will charge fee to moderators in their teams. Okay, so this is free, like it's free. You don't need to pay any amount, okay, to get hired. Just have what they need, okay, and just position yourself, tell them why they should hire you, and tell them that you can do the job. Just give them a benefit of doubt, and they're going to pick you, right? So do you have to be a particular gender to get hired? They said gender is of no relevance to the selection of application for available positions, right? The next question is, when will I receive my payments, and do I need a bank account? Okay, they said payments are made within the first 10 business days of the month for the work done in the prior month. Okay, so payment can be made either via bank transfer or PayPal transfer. Okay, so either via bank transfer or PayPal transfer. So these are the two payment methods, okay, available, okay, for payout on this platform. So just take your time, okay, go through every other information here, and yes, if it's what you love and if it's what you want to try out, you can give it a try, and I wish you success. And this platform has come to stay. It has, made name for itself. Like, people have really made money just working from home on this platform. And the issue thing is that you can work from anywhere you are in the world. Are you in Nigeria, the US, anywhere, name it, you can work from anywhere. And this job, you mustn't really have an experience to work on this platform. So I think this is a job you should just shoot your shot. Okay, if you've not worked online before, or you've not gotten any online job, you can start with chat based job. It doesn't require experience to start with. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel for more work from home jobs. See you guys. Bye for now.